In this video, I'm going to show you how to content-aware fill in Photopea. Start by opening Photopea, then click on File at the top left corner and select Open to import the image you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, you need to select the object or area you want to remove. From the left toolbar, choose the Lasso Select tool. If another selection tool is visible, right-click on it and select Lasso Select from the drop-down. Carefully click and drag around the object you want to remove to create a selection. Try to stay close to the edges, but don't worry about being perfect. Once the selection is active, go to the Edit menu at the top and click on Fill. A dialog box will appear. In the Fill drop-down menu, choose Content Aware. After selecting Content Aware, click OK. Photopea will automatically analyze the surrounding pixels and fill the selected area so that the object disappears and blends with the background. If you notice any imperfections, shadows, or leftover artifacts, simply make another small selection around those areas using the lasso tool. Go back to Edit, click Fill again, ensure Content Aware is selected, and press OK. You can repeat this process as many times as needed until the area looks clean and natural. With careful selections and minor refinements, you can remove unwanted objects smoothly and realistically, and this is how you can content-aware fill in Photopea.